how to use Monday.com for interior design. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use Monday.com project or work management as a interior design workspace. So when you say interior design, that means that it is going to be a project. And this project particularly is going to be, let's say, having the niche of architecture and also design. So that means we're going to create a workspace specific for designers or architects. So how we can do that? It is going to be very simple. Head over monday.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on this place. Head over the workspace that you want to open up the project for, and we're going to add a specific board. I'm not going to have a project, but a board for a list of tasks. I would like to start with a template. This template, either it is going to be interior, for example, let's see here if we have interior or architect, like that, arc, or let's say here design. I'm going to only set up the design. So design weekly task for example, something like that. It is going to have everything like that. I'm going to use this template because it has multiple views, a lot of views. As you can see, these views are going to be charts, graphs, dashboards, whatever. And as you can see, it is going to set up the files. These could be, instead of the UX, as you can see, or consider UI designs, they could be setting up things more important like an interior design. For example, this is going to be task 1. You can go ahead and have something else like that. As you can see, this is going to be an image. This image is going to be accompanying the tasks. So this is going to be asset cards. For the main table, it is going to be setting up the items. These items are going to be here. So this is going to be the designer, for example, or the worker name, the priority of it, the status, the date that it should be starting, brief description, for example, asset files, brief ID. It is not going to be necessary here, but maybe we are going to have, for example, task 1, instead of banner, make wall paint. I'm going to have this. Maybe task 2 is going to be design the wall in 2D, for example, like this. Third one is going to be have a look to, let's say, the manual, and let's say print the pages like this. And it is going to be something like that. You can set up the asset files, or the files basically are going to import them from your computer, and you can go ahead and set up these as weeks from these groups. As you can see, next week the done, and also you can set up some automations when it is going to be done. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.